Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's class 11, subject zoology, and our today's topic is vacuoles. Dear students, the first point about vacuoles is that vacuoles occur in most cells. Vacuoles occur in most cells. That means vacuoles occur in maximum cells, but not in all cells. But not in all the cells. Dear students, the first point about the vacuoles is that vacuoles occur in most cells, but not in all the cells. The second point is the size of the vacuole. The size of the vacuole is small in animal cells, while as it is larger in the plant cells and fungi cells. The second point about the vacuoles is that the size of the vacuole is small in animal cells, while as it is larger in the plant cells and the fungi cells. The third point about the vacuoles is that the size of the cell increases. The size of the cell in vacuole of the cell and vacuoles increases by the enlarging of the centrioles of vacuoles. The central vacuole is surrounded. The next point is the central vacuole is surrounded by a thin layer called as the central vacuole is surrounded by a thin layer membrane called as centriole. Now, the next point about the vacuoles is that if we talk about the structure of the vacuole, the fifth point, that is structure of the vacuole, the vacuoles are bubble-like sacs. The vacuoles are bubble-like sacs. The vacuoles are bubble-like sacs bounded by a single unit membrane. Bounded by a single unit membrane called as ctenoplast. The point structure: the vacuoles are bubble-like sac bounded by a single unit membrane called as the ctenoplast. Number next, the vacuoles are filled with water in free. The vacuoles are filled with a fluid called as cell sap. The vacuoles are filled with a fluid called as cell sap. The cell sap contains water which is free. The cell sap contains water which is free and also contains compounds which are in solution. which are in solution. The compounds of the vacuole includes sugar, minerals, uh, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Oxygen. The This is about the fifth point and introduction about the vacuoles, and tomorrow we will discuss what are its types and in detail. Thank you.